Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a new Marvel Strike Force account. First, you will need to clear your game data or completely uninstall, and then reinstall the Marvel Strike Force application on your device. This ensures that no old account information is carried over. When you launch the game again, make sure you do not log in with any previously linked accounts. You want to start as a completely new player to establish a fresh game profile from scratch. Once you have started the game, you will be playing as a guest. Take this opportunity to play through the initial tutorial and early game content. It is recommended to progress your new account to at least player level 5 or even 10 before considering linking it. This guest phase allows you to get a feel for the new account's early draws and overall progression without committing to a permanent link right away. Enjoy the fresh start and explore the early game. After you are satisfied with your new account's progress, it is time to link it permanently. You must link this new account to a completely fresh service, such as a new Google Play Games account or a new Apple ID. It is absolutely crucial to ensure you are not linking it to an account already associated with your primary Marvel Strike Force profile. Double-check your selections to prevent accidentally overriding your main game progress. This step secures your new account. Creating a new account offers several advantages. You get a fresh set of character draws and can strategically plan your early game progression with current knowledge. Focus on building powerful early game teams like the Sinister Six or Defenders to quickly unlock legendary characters. Remember to join an active alliance as soon as possible. This provides daily rewards, raid participation, and valuable resources. A new account is a fantastic way to experience the game with a renewed strategy and focus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.